Hi there, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making broccoli and Stilton soup. Now this is a really flavoursome winter warmer that can also be prepared in advance if you're looking for a recipe that can easily be reheated at a later date. Firstly, take 2 garlic cloves, peel and then finely chop using a sharp knife. Also take 2 washed and trimmed salad onions and chop, then set aside with the garlic. Now take 1 washed large potato, and there's no need to peel it, then chop into chunks. We now need to take 1 washed leek, again chopped up, as well as 1 washed head of broccoli. Slice the florets off the broccoli and then set aside. Now take a saucepan that's big enough to hold all of your ingredients. Place it over a medium heat on the stove, then melt in 25 grams worth of butter. Now add all of the prepared ingredients apart from the broccoli to the saucepan, then fry for about 10 minutes. And once these ingredients have been fried off, take the broccoli and add to the saucepan. Also crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube and season with a little bit of salt and pepper if necessary. Now pour some boiling water into the saucepan until all of the ingredients are just about covered. Give everything a stir until that stock cube is dissolved into the water, then leave to simmer over a low heat for 15 minutes. Now, after the simmering time, remove the saucepan from the heat, then use a ladle to remove some of the water from the pan and pour into a jug and set aside for later. And now we're going to blitz the ingredients until nice and smooth. So take a blender jug and add the ingredients from the saucepan into the jug. And then blitz your soup until you're happy with the consistency. Once done, then take the saucepan we were using earlier, give it a quick rinse out and then pour your blitzed soup back into the saucepan. And if at this point you feel the soup is too thick, add back in some of the water we removed from the saucepan earlier, stir it in and that should thin the soup out. Now, next take 135 grams of Stilton cheese and crumble it into the soup. Keep stirring until the cheese has completely melted into the soup and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make this tasty broccoli and Stilton soup, which can be prepared in advance and reheated when you need it.